People often say they want full coverage car insurance. But what exactly does that mean? Well, full coverage car insurance is kind of like Santa Claus or the Tooth Fairy. It doesn't exist. But that doesn't stop lots of people from telling you exactly what they think full coverage is all about. Here's the thing. Everyone has different assets they need to protect and different financial priorities. As a result, the particular mix of insurance coverage that's right for a single 30-year-old, for example, won't be the same as what's needed by a married breadwinner with 2 kids. To help you determine what constitutes full coverage in your case, let's look at the 6 major types of car insurance. Liability insurance is the one type everyone must carry. It protects other people when you're responsible for an accident, paying medical bills, and covering the cost of repairs to damaged vehicles and property. Collision insurance covers your vehicle in the event of an accident, even if you're the one at fault. It's a requirement for getting a car loan or lease, but optional otherwise. Comprehensive insurance protects your car against non-accident damage resulting from things like theft, falling objects, or natural disasters. It's usually purchased in combination with collision insurance. And, like collision insurance, it's required if you get an auto loan or lease. As the name suggests, uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage protects you if you're harmed by a driver who doesn't have enough insurance to cover all of your losses. Depending on where you live, you may be required to get this type of insurance, even if it's optional. It's very affordable and provides important protection. Now let's talk about medical bills. If you're injured in an accident, they can stack up quickly. But personal injury protection coverage, sometimes called no-fault insurance, can help with these costs. It makes sure medical bills get paid quickly, no matter who is at fault. And it helps with other expenses like lost income, childcare, or even a funeral. Personal injury protection is mandatory in 15 states, but even where it's not required, you may still be able to purchase it. In some states, there's a different form of insurance for medical expenses. Medical payments coverage, or MedPay, is similar to personal injury protection, but is more limited in scope. Unlike personal injury protection, it won't pay for lost income or other no medical expenses. But it does cover accident-related medical bills for you and your passengers, supplementing other insurance coverage by paying any deductibles and copays. To make sure you're fully covered, start by getting the minimum insurance coverage required by your state, and then tack on as much liability insurance as you can afford. From there, prioritize different types of supplemental insurance coverage based on how much your car is worth and what kind of health insurance you have.